Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've discovered that your TM31 screen is unresponsive, you're not alone. This issue can occur due to a variety of reasons, such as a faulty touch sensor or an internal connection problem. If not addressed promptly, it could lead to further complications, making your Thermomix unusable. To get started with this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement screen compatible with the TM31. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged before beginning any repairs. To open the device safely, locate the screws at the back and carefully remove them using the Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently pry the back cover off using the flathead screwdriver, taking care not to damage any clips. Inside, you'll find the main circuit board. The faulty component is likely the touch screen assembly, which can be identified by the cables connecting it to the board. Disconnect these cables gently using the tweezers. It's crucial to handle these components delicately to avoid damaging anything nearby. After disconnecting the cables, you can remove the old screen by unfastening any additional screws securing it in place. Replace it with a new screen, making sure it sits perfectly in the designated area. Reconnect the cables, ensuring they are securely attached. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully reattach the back cover, ensuring all clips click into place and all screws are tightened securely. Finally, plug in the Thermomix and turn it on to check if the screen is functioning properly. After the repair, it's essential to follow a few tips to prevent this issue from recurring. Regularly clean the screen and avoid excessive force when using it. Additionally, ensure the device is kept in a dry environment to prevent moisture damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.